Hello friends, this is Jalpesh here from the Code with JV channel and welcome again to this new video. In this video we are going to talk about the new settings UI in Visual Studio Code. So without wasting time, let's get started. Let me open my favorite editor, Visual Studio Code. Okay, so this is a pretty standard basic Node.js app. So right now we don't need to worry about this. Let's directly go into settings, and here you can see like now there is no JSON by default, right? So don't worry about the JSON thing. I will show you how we can get to it. So basically this is a new UI from Visual Studio Code, and here you get all the steps here related to your settings. So either you can go with searching. So here you can see I just type the font, and here you can see this, and here you can see I have my font setting there and other stuffs there. Either you can do this way, or you can go with the like category where you can set some of the work page settings and few other stuffs there. So basically like it's pretty easy there. And here you can I like this search, it's pretty awesome. Like if you have to set a row height, and if you write just height, you can see like different kind of stuffs are there. So I have set my line height to 30. So that is the one thing. Now lots of people will worry about the JSON thing. So it's not gone anywhere. From here you can click this and you can click on open settings. And there you have your all pure loud JSON themes. So here I got all these settings things there, and this is what it it is, right? Now there is only improvement to the UI, because like that is easier for people who don't want to change the JSON file. There is one more thing here. If you see on the steps here, let me show you that there is a one more thing called show modified setting. So it will only show those settings where you have done some modifications. Like for example, I have done firewall exclude and few other stuffs. I have changed my default font to SF mono and few other stuff. So that is what it is. So basically like this settings, UI, I quite liked it. And if you are like in love with this JSON file, from here you can get it. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy this video, and please do subscribe to my channel, because like that keeps me going, creating such kind of videos like this, and that helped me motivating myself. So thank you again for watching this video, and see you again till next video. Thanks. Bye.